Hello viewers, yesterday I told you about the proxy server and today I will tell you the types of proxy server. Let's start with the simple introduction of proxy server. Proxy server are referred to those servers that act as an intermediary to the request made by the client to particular server. For some services or requests for some resources, there are several types of proxy server available whose use will be depend on the purpose of request made by the client to the server. The purpose of proxy server is to protect the direct connect of the internet client and internet resources. Proxy server prevent the identification of the client IP address while any request is made to any other server. Internet client and internet resources. Proxy server also act as a shield of an internet network against the request coming from the client to access the data on that server. The original IP address of the node remains hidden while accessing data from that server. Protect true host identity. Outgoing traffic appears to come from the proxy server. It must be configured to the specific application, example HTTPS or FTP. For example, as a client to MNC, a client can use a proxy to observe the traffic of its contact employee to get the work efficiently done. It can also be used to keep a check of any leakage of internal, highly confidential data. Some can also use it to increase their website ranks and get the traffic diverted anonymously. Some of the need of the private proxy is mentioned below. Defeat the hackers. Every organization has its own personal data that needs to protect from malicious use. Thus, passwords are used and different architectures are set up. But still, there is a possibility that this information can be hacked in case the IP address is accessible easily. To prevent such kind of misuse, proxy servers are set up to prevent tracking of original IP address. Instead, data is showing to come from the different IP address. Filtering of content. Proxy server also help to filter out the content that doesn't follow the policy of the web application or server required. It provides the facility to authenticate the user as well as provide the log of the URL of user request made through that proxy. Content can be cached. The proxy also help in caching the content of the website. This help in fast access to data that has been accessed oftenly. Examine packet headers and payload. We can also examine the payload and packet headers of the request made by the nodes in the internal server so that their access to social website can be easily tracked and restricted. So the work of IP address is to prevent the IP address from the hackers and filter the content which is not follow the rules of the web application. Then content can be cached. Cached means ki it is stored in a small memory, and cache memory is the fastest memory and situated between the user and the server. Examining the packet headers. When we send the information to someone, it is divided into a small packets which has a header and it has a number of that packet, and payload is the how much traffic is on that time on the server, and how the packets are transferring from one place to other place. The different types of proxy server. The reverse proxy. This represents the server in case there are a multiple website on different server. Then it is the job of reverse proxy server to listen to the request made by the client and redirect to the particular web server. Example, listen for TCP port 80 website connection. These are the normally placed in DMZ zone for the publicity accessible service but also protect the true identity of the host. It is a transparent of the external user as external user will not be able to identify the actual number of internal server. It is the duty of reverse proxy to redirect the flow depending on the configuration of the internal server. The request made to pass through the private network protected by firewalls need a proxy server that does not abide by any of the local policies. This type of request from the clients are completed using reverse proxy server. This is also used to restrict the access of the client to the sensitive data residing on the particular server. Second is the web proxy server. This type of proxies forward the HTTP request. This request is same as HTTP request, only URL is passed instead of path. Request is sent to which the proxy server responds. Example of such proxies are Apache and AHAP proxy. The solution to the problem of multiple proxy server is solved by the client server proxy auto-config protocol. Web proxy server only send the URL, not the full path. Third is anonymous proxy. This is the type of proxy server that does not make an original IP address. Although these servers are detachable, still provide rational anonymity to client server. High anonymity proxy. This type of proxy server does not allow the original IP address to be detected, and also no one can detect it as a proxy server. Transparent proxy. This type of proxy server never provides any anonymity to the client. Instead, original IP address can be easily detected using this proxy. Still, it is being used to act as a cache for the website. A transparent proxy combined with the gateway result in the proxy server, where the connection requests sent by the client IP are redirected. These redirections occurs without the client IP address configuration. This redirection can be easily detected by the HTTP header present on the server side. These are also known as intercepting proxy, inline proxy, and forge proxy. Working. It intercepts the communication at the network level without the need of any configuration. It also works as a gateway or router that just authenticates the communication without making any changes to the request or response passing through the server. Users. This type of proxy are most commonly used by the business level to enforce the policy over communication. It also tries to prevent any attack on TCP server, example, denial of service attack. Then next comes CGI proxy. This type of proxies were developed to make the website more accessible. Working. It accepts the request to target URL using a web form, process it and return the result to the web browser. It is less popular due to VPN and other privacy policy, but it is still receive a lot of requests these days also. It reduces because of excessive traffic that can be caused to website after passing the local filtration, and thus leads to collateral damage to the organization. Suffix proxy. This type of proxy server appends the name of the proxy to the URL to content that has been requested to the proxy. This type of proxy doesn't preserve a high level of anonymity. Users. It used for bypass the web filter. This proxy is easy to use and can be easily implemented, but it uses less due to the more number of web filter present. Distorting proxy. Proxy servers can generate an incorrect original IP address of clients once being detected as a proxy server. It uses HTTP header to maintain the confidentiality of the client IP address. Tor Onion proxy. It is a software that aims at online anonymity to the user personal information. Working, it routes the traffic through various networks present worldwide to make it difficult to track the user address and prevent the attack of any anonymous activity. It makes it difficult for any person who is performing traffic analysis to track an original address. For this, it uses onion routing. In these types of routing, the information is encrypted in multi-fold, layer by layer, to prevent it. At the destination, each layer is decrypted one by one to prevent the information to scramble or get distorted. This software is open source as well as free of cost to use, and this is very good. The anonymous proxy, 12p anonymous proxy, it is an anonymous network enhanced version of Tor onion proxy, which uses encryption to hide all the communication at various levels. This encrypted data is then relayed through various network router present in a different location. Thus, 12p is a fully distributed proxy that aims at online anonymity. It also implements garlic routing, enhanced version of Tor's onion routing. It provides a proxy to all protocols. These types of proxies can be run on the node. 12p router find other peers to build an anonymous identity to protect the user personal information. This software and network are free of cost and open source to use. It is also resists the censorship. 11th is a DNS proxy. Unlike other proxies, this type of proxy take requests in the form of DNS queries and forward them to the domain server, where it can also be cached and flow of requests can also be redirected. Below the different types of proxy server protocols. When you use a proxy server, then you also need the protocols, and I told you the set of rules which helps in communication on internet is called protocol. SOX proxy server. These types of proxy server provides a connection to a particular server depending on the SOX protocol. This type of server allow the multiple layering of various type of data such as TCP and UDP. UDP is a user-defined protocol, and TCS and transfer control system. FTP proxy server. This type of proxy server caches the traffic of FTP requests and uses the concept of relay. I told you about the file transfer protocol. HTTP is the hypertext transfer protocol proxy server. This proxy was developed to process on one-way requests to the web pages using HTTP protocol. SSL proxy server. This type of server was developed using the concept of TCP relying being used in SOX proxy protocol to allow the request of web pages. So the conclusion is proxy server help in various type of anonymity required at a different level, either as a client or as a service provider. It helps to resist the security of information of various users as well as the internal network. Different type of proxies are available which follow various routing protocol and server different users at different level of anonymity. Proxy files are the client program that allow the adaptation of any type of software used for networking using various type of proxy server. So there is a different type of protocol and different type of proxy. It's depend upon the application, on which application, which proxy is beneficial for us. So you must know, and how to apply I told you yesterday. So if any query, please comment and ask me, and if you like this, then please subscribe it. Thank you, viewers.